Hello, beautiful people. This is me, I'm your host, and today I'm gonna show you and share with you few Christmas sets which I recently purchased. So if you're curious, please carry on. Around holidays, companies are coming up with different kind of sets and also with special editions of their actual products. In here I have, let's say, 4 items. First item, it's a palette from Too Faced. Too Faced, they released 3 new palettes. First, it was their bigger pumpkin palette. Besides the bigger palette, they released 2 smaller ones, and I purchased one of the smaller ones. This one, it's called, the palette which I purchased, it's called Salted Caramel. That's the box which it comes in. And salted caramel, smells like salted caramel. Limited edition on the Fly eyeshadow palette. And let me read you a description. Indulge in this richly seductive salted caramel scent palette of warm buttery neutrals that will have you feeling like a sweet treat. Ooh. 6 eyeshadows. You get the cardboard package, and it also shows you the colors. And if you look at it, they look quite nice. So if you cover those 2, it's neutral, but let's open up. That's the actual package. It's a metal tint. It's similar to few of the other ones. And on the back, you have the name of the shades. But let me open up for you. So yes, you have a mirror, and then you have shades. And those shades are really pretty. It's more like a, I would say call it fall colors, but what you got are 4 mattes, 3 shimmers, and 1 sparkling shades. Come on. The other palette also caught my eye, but it wasn't available at Macy's. And this one is really travel friendly, and you can create many different looks. But let me swatch the colors for you. Okay, let's see how it's gonna go. Whoa! Okay, so those 2 are here. I have 2 more. Yeah, the pigmentation is awesome. Let me swatch the other 4. Okay, that's the last one. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh. Okay, yeah, because that's the matte one. So those are the shades. Here we go. And yes, they do give you a punch of color. So yeah, for sure I'm gonna be using it. And because of different shade ranges, you can either create look using 1, let's call it 2 shades. But yeah, oh, let's see if it smells. It does smell like the salted caramel. And again, if you look at the shades, so you can easily go with this row or the other row. Also, if you're gonna cover like half of it, you can create different looks. But yeah, I do like it, and because it's in a metal tint, it's a travel friendly item. Then the next one is the It Cosmetics brush set, and what the, oh, value $145. Nice. Celebrate your Heavily Luxe brushes, 4-piece full-size brush set. So you got effortless brush, precision, powder, and smudger. So it comes in a tube like this. So technically it is like your travel cover for your brushes. And yeah, you're getting a little. All right, let me try to take this thing off. Once you take it off, so that's the container. You have the snaps, which help keep those 2 pieces in place. And then you got your brushes. Now this you can use as a cup holder, and the brushes come in plastic, so let's remove it. They're not really heavy, but the bristles are really nice, and they're so soft. Woohoo. Okay, so those are the brushes which you are getting. So this is your shadow and smudger. Here we go, that's your smudger brush, that's your shadow. Next one is the blush brush, so it's angle. Then it's precision. This one you can easily use it for a foundation or to apply your concealer. Here we go. And the last one is the biggest one. That's their powder brush. I heard good things about IT Cosmetics brushes, and as you know, I have plenty of brushes, so I wasn't sure about buying more, but I was like, you know what? What's the better opportunity, or I should say time, for me to try it? Because number one, you're getting a good price for your money, and then you have 4 brushes. I'm gonna put them into use to find out how well do they perform. And yeah, in case if I'm not gonna be traveling with them, I can just use this to keep my brushes. The next 2 items are from Origins. That's their skincare sets. And yes, they come in already in like a nice Christmassy bags. So I have 2 of those. The first one, it's called Youth Defenders. Youth Defending and Cleansing Trio. Value 87, and I believe you value at 87 and you pay 50, so you're getting 3 items. So you got, what you got? Now let me take it out from the box. You're getting 3 items. You have the Frothy Cleanser, which I do enjoy. It's a foaming wash, but it's not gonna dry your skin, and I went through many of those tubes and I do enjoy it. Then you have their serum, which previously I did have a full size, and because it makes your skin smooth, I was using it instead of a primer. And then the last item is their cream with white tea. Yeah, HFN's moisturizer with white tea and SPF 40. I went through many jars of this product and I do enjoy it. And as good as it is, the sad part, it comes in a jar, but I do like how it smells, performs, and make your skin feel. So yes, this is a good buy, and I already tried all of those items, so I know I'm gonna use them up. The second set comes in an orange box. It's called Radiant Delights. Radiant Boosting Trio for day and night. Value 82 and costs 48. And let me take it out from the box as well. So in this one, similarly, you have the cleanser, you have their night cream, and okay, check and balance is frothy face wash, so it's the same item as in this one. Then is their high red surfacing cream with fruit derivative AHA. I have this cream previously as a samples, and also I do have, I believe, like 2 jars, and I do enjoy it. It's a heavier cream, but it's very powerful, and it will make your skin look way nicer the next day. And then it's there Ginseng Oil-Free Energy Boosting Gel Moisturizer. Okay, this is new. I didn't get a chance to try it, so that's a perfect opportunity. But as you can see for yourself, I have 6 items, and 5 out of 6 I already tried it. So guess what? I know I'm gonna use them up. Around holidays, that's the perfect time to try out new things, and also to buy, let's say, gifts for yourself, because most of the time we forget about ourselves because we are too busy of taking care for others. So guess what? This is my gift to myself. I see you next time. Bye.